What's going on YouTube? Today for your viewing pleasure I have from Hungarian Aero Decals, or HAD models, the 70-second scale decal sheet for the Final Countdown movie collection number 1. This is for the S-3A Vikings that was on the Nimitz from 1979. So flipping this around to the back, take a look, we can see that we have the upper and lower surfaces, the different color callouts, for the different areas there. And then opening it up, we have the nice side profiles here of the Viking. So again, what's cool is it does have a couple of different aircraft numbers that were featured within the movie itself. So you can build yours up as desired. Set that off to the side. Grab the decal sheet here. Again, relatively small decal sheet, but definitely all of the important things. So again, this being 70-second scale, it's a little bit smaller than any of the 48 ones that you might have seen me reviewing here recently, with the F-14 and the SH-3 Sea King. Sorry, had to double check there. But overall, looks pretty good. I've not ever actually laid down their decals, so I'm not gonna say that they're excellent decals or bad decals, anything like that. I've just not had any experience with them. But the carrier film is really pretty minimal, so I think they should be pretty well good. Don't anticipate too much trouble. All right. Well, hope you guys like this relatively short review of this decal sheet. I'm not sure when I'll get around to building this, but definitely want to put this on my list at some point, as the Final Countdown was definitely instrumental in just getting me interested in military history, especially World War II, stuff like that, growing up as a kid. So if you're a fan of the movie, I would definitely check out HAD models while they still have them in stock, just because I know they were selling out like crazy when I was trying to get them. So catch you guys later.